Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, we cannot sit here.
What standing order are you on?
91.
91.
Honorable Speaker, why is it that it's only my standing orders that you are confirming, Honorable Speaker? The rest you are giving.
Babu Owino, everybody has been subjected to the same treatment.
What I want to say is very important and urgent, Honorable Speaker.
Yes. Yes, what is out of order?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I've heard the submissions made by Honorable Ichungwah, and I want to say that at first I thought that they were important and detailed, but I've just realized that the important parts are not detailed and the detailed parts are not important. He's talking about manufacturing. Honorable Speaker, I want to educate Honorable
What
Ichungwah.
is out of order?
This
You
is
know
where
now
I'm
you are
coming to.
pursuing a contrary argument.
This is where I'm coming to, Honorable Speaker, on matters economics, because Honorable Ichungwah is claiming that if we increase taxes for imports, that is what he's saying, that if we increase taxes for imports, imported goods, then we will give an opportunity for industries, local industries to grow, which literally is normally true. But in our situation as a country, Honorable Speaker, we are going to promote what we call foreign absorption, where money is going to leak from...
Order, Babu Owino. Order, Honorable Babu Owino. Order, take your seat. Order, Honorable Babu Owino. When you take your seat. You are pursuing a very healthy argument, but it's very far from a point of order. When you are given an opportunity, pursue that argument and convince your colleagues. When you stand on a point of order, ordinarily you start this way. Mr. Speaker, is it in order for the member on the floor to say this and this and this, when in fact the fact are this and this, or contrary to this standing order? You've shot up on my permission, and you're pursuing a very healthy argument on the bill that has no relationship with what the member on the floor was saying, because that is your argument, that's his argument.